Today we are going to see the advanced list view. We are in the lists module. On your right, you can find the settings icon. When you click on the settings icon, there are two options. One is basic, one is advanced. So now we are in the basic list view. Now I'll click on advanced. Now you can see the entire list view screen has been changed. On your left, you can find a filter list. If you click on the filter list, there are a set of filters. I'm choosing two of them. Now from the list you can see two has been added. One is missed follow, one is re-engagement. The list view has been changed. Now let us see how to customize the column list. There is an add column button at the left hand side. Now on clicking on add column, you can rearrange the column as per the preference. So here the one of the best advantage also we can say is create our own template. So I'm giving a template name. I'm giving the filter name as XYZ. Now I'm adding name, mobile number, assigned to leads medium, lead status, and also adding created time. And I can rearrange it also the way I want by dragging and dropping it and click on save. Once I save it, you can see the re-engagement has been changed and also there is a icon of the button has been changed. Now click on the drop down. There are two options. One is standard and the second one is XYZ. XYZ is the user specific template. This one is shown only to us. It is not shown to others. If you click on standard, you will get a standard column that is shown to all. And if you click on XYZ, you will get the user specific one. Now, one of the most important thing is we are able to add commands in the advanced list view itself. So what we have to do is click on the XYZ template. Here, I'm also adding one more block called as comments. So in that, there are options. Last comment, last previous comments, and last before previous comment. So I'm adding all of it and save. So you can see these are added in the list view itself. As you can see the last comment, and if you click on that button, you can see the comments that have been given. So overall comments that are added can be seen here by clicking on that box. So being on the list view itself, you will be able to review the leads just by checking its comments. Now we can see the list view is set to 1 to 39 records. So here at the left hand side, again user specific page nation is there. If I want to see 100 records at a time, I can set it. If I want to set 25, I can even set it to 25. So here you can see previously it was 39 and now it is 25. This is user specific one. So this will not affect others. User wise, it will be doing the changes. So you can see here as there are only 39 records, even though 50 record is chosen, only 39 is shown. Now we will see how to sort the listing. Now if I want to sort the list view by name, in the name also there is an arrow. There are two options, ascending and descending. So it will be very useful for created time also. So we can check based upon descending and ascending order. So I'm choosing it on descending order. If I choose on descending order, I'll get it which was created now and later on. We can even remove it by clicking on the close icon. If I want to change the order, I'll again select on the ascending. So you can see the record is showing in ascending order. Old created time to new created time. Now we will see how we can able to change. That is the major advantages of list view is we are able to edit the fields in the list view itself. That is, I can change the name here itself. I can change the name. I can change the medium. I can change it here itself. The status, everything can be changed in the list view. That is the advanced list view. Previously, we used to go completely inside. Now, on the list view itself, we can change it. We can see how to apply filter for the entire dashboard. Here we can see we are able to filter records by applying filters for particular field. That is, I'm clicking on the created time. The filter icon shows the options equals to, not equals to, between conditions and all. For example, if I want to filter record by its lead status, say not equals to lead store. That is, I want to know how many are not in lost condition. So I'm giving lead status not equals to lead lost. And if I apply means, I'll get to see the leads values. That is, the list view will exclude lead loss status and give the result for the remaining. So like that, we are able to filter the list view accordingly by applying filters to only the particular fields. If we want to filter the entire list view, Then we have to select on the right side, there is a no filter button. We can click on it. Here we can apply filter. That is same filter I'm applying here. I want to filter the record based upon lead status not equals to lead loss. I'm giving a condition like this. Also, I can add multiple filters here. Lead medium, I'm giving it as lead medium equals, I'll give it as a website. So if I apply means what are the conditions that satisfy, those will be seen here. And this is done as per the user preference, as per the data. And if we want to send a WhatsApp message manually, also can be sent if Meta integrated. If not, it will navigate to the web WhatsApp application. So here I'm choosing the number, choosing the template. So I'm choosing a site visit completed as an example and I'm sending on. So you can see WhatsApp message sent successfully has been popped up. So the lead will receive a WhatsApp message. Here we also have a quick action. We are able to perform the quick action being in the list view itself. If we want, we can even remove the filter. We just have to click on the X mark. So if you click on the close mark, all the filters that are given will be removed. If you want to perform bulk action, I can click on the square box, click on the check box. The moment I click on the box, the multiple options have been, bulk actions has been popped up. I can bulk edit, I can export the records by selecting select all. Let me go back to the all list view. So whatever performing we are right now is user specific. It will not impact the other users. The list view is been edited or managed for a particular user alone. One of the important feature in advanced list view is change owner. By clicking on more action, if I want to give multiple leads to somebody else, multiple records, then I click on select all. Once I select all, I'll get multiple options. So in that, one of the option is change owner. Change owner is used when an admin wants to give multiple leads in bulk to many users. For example, I want to transfer it to more than one user, means I'll just click those user name. So here I'm taking help of 2 users and I'm choosing all data and transfer. So once I click on transfer, how many data is transferred, it will be shown. For example, I'll once again click on all data. That is, it will show me how many data is selected. Then click on change owner, select the user, clicking on Praveen. And also I'll give a Nazi. So I want 2 people and transfer. So here you can see the change owner is done successfully for equally data. If we want to change to more than 3 user or 4 user, even that can be done in bulk at once. Let us see one of the new feature in the advanced list view, that is the compact view or comfortable view and grouping. Now I'll click on the setting icon. The list view is already in a basic filter view, so I'm keeping it on. So once you can see, this is like the previous basic list view. This is as per the user convenience. Next, once again I'm clicking on setting and clicking on compact view. Based upon the user specification, the compact view is worked. That is, if a user wants a particular column to make a big or small, he can make it and it will be done only for that particular user. Next comes the comfortable view. If you click on the comfortable view, all the columns will come on the similar size. So it will be easier. All will be in compact, comfortable way. Now, once again, I'm clicking on setting icon. Click on the group by function. Once I click on the group by function, the complete view changes. For example, I'll take the use of lead status. Based upon the lead status, I want to group. So where I will give the display of name, from which company he is, then the lead mobile number and to whose name it is assigned to. Now you can see the complete view has changed. You can see the grouping is done based upon the status. The first one is confirmed, the second one is not attempted, RNR, hot lead, cold lead and so on. Now the grouping is done in a column wise. So in particular column itself I can see all the leads concerned to confirm. Also I can do the quick action from this particular window itself by just clicking on the quick action icon and do my work and give it a save. Next is I can also have an interesting feature, that is I can just choose a particular lead and drag and drop it into some other group and it will be updated accordingly. For example, I took a lead from confirmed and updated it into a not attempted. You can see the count has been changed. So it is completely a user-friendly and easy to understand. If you don't want this particular group function, then click on the setting icon, scroll and click on comfortable view. The view is again changed back to the previous view that you had chosen.